Excel is an amazing tool for analyzing data, and sort and filter are some of the most commonly used features to help you do this. To change the order of your data, you'll want to sort it. Right-click a cell in the column you want to sort and point to Sort. Since the cells in this column contain only numbers, the sort options are Sort smallest to largest and Sort largest to smallest. Most number formats, such as time and currency, have these sort options. I click Sort smallest to largest, and the codes are sorted from lowest to highest value. To focus on a specific set of your data, you can filter a range of cells or a table. Click any cell in the range or table. On the Home tab, click Sort and Filter, and click Filter. Click a drop-down arrow at the top of one of the columns to display its filter options. I click the drop-down arrow in the Category column. Since the column contains text, I get the text filter options. I can also uncheck and check values. I uncheck all values, select fruit, and click OK. And only the rows that have fruit in the category column are displayed. Up next, Sort Details.